Turning blog posts into videos is one of the smartest ways to reach more people today. You can take the same written content and turn it into engaging visual stories for social media, websites, and YouTube, all without starting from scratch. Two popular tools that make this process simple are Lumen5 and InVideo AI. Both promise to turn your blog posts into ready-to-share videos fast, but they go about it in different ways. Let's look at how they compare and which one might be the best fit for you. Lumen5 has been around for a while, and it's known for how easy it makes video creation from written content. You can paste a blog link or text, and the AI automatically picks key sentences, matches them with visuals, and builds a storyboard for you. It's like watching your blog post come to life in seconds. The platform uses templates, stock footage, and text animations to create a professional-looking video with almost no manual editing. The interface feels clean and visual. You can drag and drop scenes, change colors, swap clips, and adjust timing all from one screen. What makes Lumen5 special is how smoothly it handles storytelling. It breaks down your text into short, readable pieces that flow like a social video, making your content easy to watch and understand. The AI handles most of the heavy lifting, but you can still edit everything if you want to fine-tune your message. Now, InVideo AI takes a more modern conversational approach. It focuses on speed and automation, but with a strong emphasis on creating videos that sound natural and engaging. You can paste a blog post, script, or even just a topic idea, and the AI instantly writes a voiceover script, chooses visuals, adds subtitles, and produces a full video, all in a few minutes. It even generates a human-like voice narration automatically, so you do not need to record your own audio. The editing experience in InVideo AI feels smart and responsive. You can give it simple prompts like make it shorter or change the tone, and the AI adjusts the video instantly. It also has a wide selection of templates and a more cinematic style, with transitions and layouts that feel designed for modern platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. When comparing both tools side by side, Lumen5 feels like a guided creative platform. You control the narrative, pick visuals, and make design choices while the AI assists. InVideo AI feels like a full automation tool. It does nearly everything for you, from script to voiceover. Lumen5 gives you structure and brand consistency, while InVideo AI gives you speed and expressive storytelling. If you want control and creativity, go with Lumen5. If you want speed and automation, go with InVideo AI. Either way, you will turn your blog posts into scroll-stopping videos in a fraction of the time it used to take.